In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Teams in 2025. Microsoft Teams has become an essential tool for collaboration, enabling teams to stay connected and productive. Whether you are new to Teams or just want to ensure you're doing it correctly, this guide will help you navigate the login process with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page and serves as your gateway into the full suite of Teams functionalities. Click on that Sign In button. This action will direct you to the Microsoft account login page. If you haven't used Microsoft Teams before, or if you're using a different device, you'll need to enter your login credentials. That's your registered email address followed by your password. Make sure you type these details in correctly to avoid any errors. It's also a good practice to double check for any typos before proceeding. If you encounter any trouble remembering your password, Microsoft provides a handy forgot password link right there. Clicking on this link will guide you through a straightforward process to reset your password. All it takes is following some on-screen instructions, which typically involves verifying your identity through an email or phone confirmation. Once you've entered your email and password and are ready to proceed, simply click on the Next button. Assuming everything is correct, you'll be taken directly into Microsoft Teams. Whether you're logging in to catch up with colleagues, join a meeting, or access resources, this straightforward login process is your entry point to seamless collaboration. Logging in might seem simple, but it's the first vital step to unlocking the potential of Microsoft Teams. This cloud-based platform is not just about messaging or video calls, it's a hub for teamwork where office tools meet collaboration. Having immediate access helps you stay on top of your responsibilities, manage projects, and engage in productive discussions with your team. Also, keep in mind that if you're using a shared or public computer, it's wise to sign out after each session. This keeps your account secure and safeguards your personal information. You can sign out of Teams just as easily by clicking on your profile icon and selecting the Sign Out option. And that's it for logging into Microsoft Teams in 2025. This simple yet essential process is key to ensuring you can always access the resources you need for effective collaboration. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to sign in confidently and utilize Microsoft Teams to its fullest. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.